Eggplant is one of those vegetables that I really hated as a kid, but growing up, I learned how to love these suckers. And today I'm going to show you how I make one of my favorite ways to enjoy eggplants. For this dish, we will be needing 3 cloves of garlic, 1 diced tomato, half an onion, 3 bird-eye chilies. These are 3 medium-sized eggplants that I cut into strips like this. We have 100 grams of ground beef, sugar, vinegar, some soy sauce, and we'll also be needing black pepper. Let's get cooking. In a hot saucepan, I just added some vegetable oil. You can use whatever oil you have on your pantry. And we're just gonna fry the strips of eggplants that we have. We don't need to cook them all the way through. We just need some browning to happen. Because, browning means flavor. Haluin lang natin occasionally yung ating eggplants para hindi sila masunog. Okay, I think these are ready. So set aside lang natin to for now. We'll turn over to our spicy, meaty sauce. So sa same pan, we're just gonna saute some onion. Once translucent na yung onion natin, we can now add our minced garlic. Then, isunod na natin yung ating tomatoes and the chilies. Okay na yan, halo-halo na yan. We're just gonna keep on stirring this until maging mushy yung ating tomatoes. Now na malambot na yung ating tomatoes, we can now drop in our ground beef. Let's just keep on stirring this until mawala na yung pink color ng ating meat. Okay, I think this is good. We can now add our soy sauce and our vinegar. This is about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Stir it up. Let's not forget the black pepper. Once nahalo na natin na mabuti, we can now add back our fried eggplants. And that is it. Diba? Sobrang simple lang. There you have it, guys. My spicy soy vinegar eggplant. I know it doesn't look very good on camera, but trust me, this is really delicious. Hope you give it a try. Bye!